Hi, I'm Sadie Ray from Kids Are Foodies 2, and I'm at Woods Pit Barbecue in Bantam, and I'm trying some honey barbecue wings. Oh, sounds awesome, right? Heaven. But the heaven isn't started yet, because I still have to taste it. Okay, I'm going in. Rolling up the sleeves. Let's get messy. Very, very messy. This is rich dressing. It's so good. The sauce is just, oh my gosh. The honey in it just gives it a smack of flavor. And the barbecue sauce on the wings, oh my gosh. The sauce is just heaven. The wings are just, they taste like barbecue chicken, but they're wings. Oh my goodness. I don't even know. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, they're so good.